Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on XRP, whose current price stands at the $0.52163 mark, and here on TradingView the market is down by 1.96%. and in this video I want to give you the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliot waves and the Fibonacci's, and also the key areas of support and resistances. And I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening on this chart. XRP from the all-time high has been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC corrective movement, which has now taken us back to around the $0.29 mark, and after making that low we have been seeing a bit of a bounce to the upper side. And here on the daily chart you can see we have managed to break above key areas of resistances, and yesterday we also managed to break above the key area of resistance at around the $0.52 mark. And if I jump to the 4-hour chart so that we can see this better, after making our low down here on the 4-hour chart, we have been seeing a bit of a bounce to the upper side in a movement that we can term as an Elliot wave structure, having this as the wave 1. Then we saw a bit of a retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 2. Then we have continued pushing higher in this impulsive movement to the upper side in the formation of a wave 3. Then I expected to see a retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 4. Then continue pushing higher in the formation of a wave 5 to complete a higher Elliot wave count 1. So this movement that we are seeing over here, once we see the formation of a wave 5 to the upper side, then we can name it as a higher Elliot wave count 1. And getting a little bit into the details of the formation of this Elliot wave structure so that it can also give us the key scenarios that we expect to play out. After making our high for that third wave to the upper side, we saw a very nice retracement over here in the formation of a wave 4, and because a wave 4 is a retracement of the third wave, we can use the Fibonacci's connecting from the low of the wave 3 to the high of that wave 3 to give us a minimum retracement area in the formation of a wave 4 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618. I can mark that target area here on the charts like that. Then removing the Fibonacci's, you can see XRP has retraced into that target area, and we almost fully maximized that target area to the lower side in the formation of that wave 4. And whatever we are seeing over here is the formation of a wave 5 to the upper side to complete that higher Elliot wave count 1. And because a wave 5 is an impulsive wave, we also expect to see fractal waves in formation within this fifth wave to the upper side, and I believe that is what has been playing out here on the XRP chart, having this as the wave 1, then a wave 2, then this is a wave 3 to the upper side, then a wave 4, and then a wave 5 to complete that higher Elliot wave count 5 and also a higher Elliot wave count 1. And yesterday we also managed to break above a key area of resistance at around the $0.52 mark, and right now whatever we are seeing over here is a retest of that key area of resistance, because you can see the breakout took us back to around the $0.55 mark. So whatever we are seeing over here is a retest of that key area of support, and once the retest is a success, I will expect us to continue pushing higher to fully maximize the target area to the upper side in the formation of that third wave to the upper side. And using the trend-based Fibonacci, we can sketch out a target area for that third wave to the upper side, connecting the fibs from the low of that wave 1 to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the wave 2, and that gives me to target area to the upper side at the fib level 1.618, and that lies at around the $0.58 mark. So once we see the retest, which might be a success, there's a possibility that we might continue pushing higher, get us back to around the $0.58 mark, fully maximize that target area for that third wave, then see a bit of a retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 4 before we continue pushing higher in the formation of that wave 5 to complete a higher Elliot wave count 1. And we can also sketch out a target area for that higher Elliot wave count 1 using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the wave 1 down here to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that third wave to the upper side right there at around the $0.55 mark. So once we do that, we can get a target area to the upper side for that higher Elliot wave count 1 at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $0.618 mark. So that movement to the upper side in this Elliot wave count 5, I expect it to be complete at around the $0.62 mark. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated on how XRP continues to unfold.